Coffee Praline Muffins, a heavenly caffeinated treat. Hey, everyone, welcome back to Miss Coffee Baby. Today, we've got a mouthwatering treat in store for you, Coffee Praline Muffins. These delightful muffins are the perfect blend of rich coffee flavor and sweet praline goodness. You won't want to miss this recipe, so let's dive right in. Ingredients. For the coffee muffins. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 1/2 cup granulated sugar. 2 teaspoons baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, cooled to room temperature. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, melted. 1/4 cup milk. 1 egg. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the praline topping. 1/2 cup chopped pecans. 1/4 cup brown sugar. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. 2 tablespoons heavy cream. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Line a muffin tin with paper liners or grease it well. In a medium saucepan, prepare the praline topping. Combine the chopped pecans, brown sugar, unsalted butter, and heavy cream over medium heat. Stir continuously until the mixture comes to a boil. Let it boil for about 1–2 minutes while continuing to stir. Remove from heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Set aside to cool. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt for the muffin batter. In another bowl, combine the cooled brewed coffee, melted butter, milk, egg, and vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. A few lumps are okay. Fill each muffin cup about halfway with the coffee muffin batter. Spoon a small amount of the praline topping over the batter in each muffin cup. Top each muffin with the remaining batter, covering the praline filling. Bake in the preheated oven for 18–20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center of a muffin comes out clean. Remove the muffins from the oven and allow them to cool in the muffin tin for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Serve your delicious coffee praline muffins and enjoy. These muffins have a wonderful combination of coffee flavor and the sweet crunch of praline. They make a perfect treat for coffee lovers and are great for breakfast or as a snack. Enjoy! And there you have it, our heavenly coffee praline muffins. I hope you enjoyed watching and will give this recipe a try in your kitchen. If you tried this recipe or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our delectable recipes. Alright, that's it for today, folks. Thanks for joining us on Miss Coffee Baby. Until next time, happy baking, and stay caffeinated. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.